Welcome to Lesson 19 of Hands-On Equations. Today we're going to learn a new legal move. We have been doing creating zero pairs by combining a star and a pawn, and we knew that because these were opposites, when I added them or removed them from an equation, it did not change the value as long as they were on one side of the problem or the other. Today we're going to do some problems that actually use our zero pairs of our number cubes. So let's walk through one and see if you understand the premise for this. We're starting with a star. It says we have to remove a positive 3. I don't have a positive 3 to remove. So I'm going to create a zero pair of 3's, which is a 3 and the opposite of 3. I'm going to put right here. And then it says to remove the 3. So I'm going to take this off. And on the right side I have the opposite of 6, which is a green cube. So now we need to solve. What can we remove from both sides of the equations using only legal moves? That's right, we can take a 3 away from both sides, and 6 take away 3 is 3. So a star is equal to the opposite of 3, and our check, we started with this here and we had this here. So we had a star, we had removed a positive 3 when we added that zero pair, so that leaves us with the opposite of 3. And then we had the opposite of 6 on the right. So if the pawn is the opposite of 3, the opposite of 3 plus the opposite of 3 is the opposite of 6. And we already have the opposite of 6 on our right side. So our star is equal to the opposite of 3, and our check is the opposite of 6 equals the opposite of 6. Put a check mark there just to make sure that we did our check. Next problem up, we're going to go a little bit more advanced. Again, we're going to start with our stars. Here we have 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. And then it says to remove the opposite of 2. Well, I don't have an opposite of 2. So again, I'm going to create a zero pair. And it tells us that we need to remove the opposite of 2. So that means we're going to take off this opposite of 2. And then on the right hand side we have a positive 8. Okay. So we have 3 pawns plus 2 is equal to 8. What's our next step? Since we only have pawns on the left and there's no pawns on the right, we want to leave these pawns where they are and adjust where our 2 is. So let's go ahead and subtract 2 from this side. If we subtract 2 from this side, we must do it to the right side, and our 8 becomes a 6, and this 2 goes away. So now we know that 3 stars is equal to 6. If 3 stars are equal to 6, what is 1 star equal to? Well, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Or we could skip count 2, 4, 6. 6 equals 6. Now that's not our original setup, so we do need to go back to our original setup. So here we have 3 stars, and we know that a star is worth 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 equals 8. Those two numbers are equal, so that is a check. Go ahead and start getting this one set up on your mat with your pawns and cubes. Here we start with 4 X's or 4 pawns. So here's 2, and here are 2 more. 3 and 4. And then it says to remove the opposite of 6. We don't have the opposite of 6 to remove, so we need to add a 0 pair of 6's. Right here. Now can we remove the opposite of 6? So this is the opposite of 6, the green cube. So we're going to remove the opposite of 6, leaving us with a positive 6. And that all is equal to 18. So I've got a 10, do a 10, a 5, and a 3. How's that? So we have pawns on the left-hand side, but we don't have any on the right. So we want to leave those pawns where they are and take care of our number cubes. So first of all, we look at our number cubes, and since we only had pawns on this left, we want to move number cubes to the right. So if we remove a number 6 on the left, what do we have to remove on the right? That's right, we have to remove 6. So I'll remove this 5, and I still need to remove one more, so I'll change the 3 to a 2. So now our 4 pawns are worth 12, and if 4 pawns are worth 12, what is 1 pawn going to be worth? Well, we can count by 2's, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's not big enough. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is equal to 12, so our X is equal to 3. We're going to reset back up. Let's see, we had a 3 and we had a 5. And we had a positive 6 on this left side. So let's count by 3's. 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. And on the right hand side of the equation, we also have 18. That is a check. So we did get the correct answer. With any type of algebraic problem, it is best practice to do a check, even if you're not required to, because it will make sure that you've got the correct answer. If you do not have a check where you have the same answer on both sides of the equal sign, then you made an error somewhere. Okay, this is our last practice problem. And this one's going to take a little bit of spacing because we need quite a few stars for this one. To grab some more stars. So you'll have to use something else to help you with the stars. So we start with 7 stars. So I'm going to kind of stack them here. So 3 stars, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. And then we need to remove a positive 5. So I'm going to create a 0 pair of 5s. And it says I want to remove the positive 5. So which one's positive, green or red? Red is positive because 5 is this cube is the opposite of 5. On the right hand side we have 5 stars. There's 3 and 2. And then we have a positive 5. Okay, so we have number cubes on both sides and we have stars on both sides. So let's think about what we want to do. In the past, we have, well, we can do either one. Let's go ahead and do stars because they're kind of messy. They're in the way because we have so many of them. We have 7 stars on the left and 5 stars on the right. So let's remove our 5 stars from the right and remove 5 stars from the left. So now we have 2 stars plus the opposite of 5 is equal to 5. So we want to get rid of this opposite of 5. So we're going to have to add a 5 to it to make a 0 pair. If we add a 5 to that, we must add a 5 to this. And this 0 pair is gone. And we now have 2 stars equals 10. So a star is equal to 5, because 5, 10 is equal to 10. Now we set back up. We started with 7 over here, and we started with 5 over here. And then we had the opposite over here, opposite of 5. So now let's plug in where each star is worth 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And 35 take away 5 is 30. Again, we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 25 plus 5 equals 30. And that is a check. So we see that we can put a red and a green cube together to create a 0 pair. Let's put it here so you can see it better. This is a 0 pair. We can add that to either side and not change the value, or we can create a 0 pair. For instance, when we had this green and we had this red 5 over here, we needed to get rid of our green, so we added the opposite to it, and if we did it to one side, we did it to both, allowing us to remove that 0 pair. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson.